yeah. Boy, is it cause you can't be faithful? Boy, hope she's cool, unlike you. You ain't ready for a girlfriend, no. Cause you think I'll steal your weekends, no. So you make up shitty reasons for want it out. See, I'm not even mad, boy, but I'm confused. Shouldn't you be keeping me at 10 when you're 2? I can't help but feel sympathetic, I do.
Hey, besties. How's everybody feeling? Everybody doing good? Today's video is in collaboration with Miss Charmayne Rosalie. She is a mama to 2. She lives in Australia. Oh, look, I'm going international. On her channel, she does recipes, cleaning, organization. She gives the healthier option. She is sweet and very informative. So go on over to this mama's channel after you've watched my channel and introduce yourself. Tell her I sent you. And if you're coming over from Miss Charmayne's channel, hey, how you doing? Thank you, and I hope you subscribe. I would love for you to become a part of my bestie family. And to the rest of my besties, to all my new besties and my old besties, you know what it is, and you know what we do. Let's get it.
You think you're bad, boy, but I feel bad for you. Think you're bad, boy, think you're bad, boy, think you're bad, but I feel bad.
Now, as y'all can tell from the beginning, this is a laundry video. So, go on out down into the basement, up onto the second floor, wherever your laundry room is. Throw you a load in there. Get that load out of the washer. Put it in the dryer because you know it's been sitting there waiting for you to change it. Go on and get that load that's over there in the corner or that's at the edge of the bed or wherever that load is, and come on and fold it up and come on and let's get some laundry done. Now, the first thing that I do is usually I get the first load started with the kids' uniforms because they have to go to school, so they get washed first. Usually everybody's clothes are separated by girls' room, boys' room, so that I don't confuse anybody's clothes. And then after that, I get to sorting out everybody's uniform clothes from regular clothes. And then later on in the video, you'll see how I do me and my husband's clothes, because those get done separately from the children's clothes.
I'm not even mad, I'm not mad, I just feel bad for you. I was pretty when I met you, now I'm prettier than ever, took a second to forget you, boy, only one. If you wanted to hurt me, well, you failed big time, cause I knew you would panic and run. I won't chase you, baby, I'm too good without. If you think that I'm crying, you're wrong. I'm not even mad, boy, but I'm confused. Shouldn't you be keeping me at 10 when you're 2? I can't help but feel sympathetic, I do. You think you're bad, boy, but I feel bad for you.
Alright, now, don't judge me. My living room is dirty, but of course, in all of my videos, it will get cleaned. So, but don't judge me. My living room is a mess.
Think you're bad, boy, think you're bad, boy, think you're bad, but I feel bad for you. I'm not even mad, I just feel bad for you. If you wanted to hurt me, well, you failed big time, cause I knew you would panic and run. I won't chase you, baby, I'm too good without. If you think that I'm crying, you're wrong.
Let me clarify something. I know that this is supposed to be a laundry video, and I am showing you laundry, but I'm also showing you other things, because I do several things in my house. I don't just concentrate on one particular thing and then wait for that to get done to move on. No, if I'm doing laundry, then that means I'm going to clean up, I'm going to restock. I still have to feed my kids, I have to take my husband to work, I have to do a myriad of things as well. So you're going to always get something: restocking, cleaning, dishes, whatever, in any videos that I do, because this is what I do every day, all day, on a regular basis. Now, as a part of my laundry routine, I hang up practically anything and everything that needs to be hung up. Now, I hang up my kids' uniforms because they need to be somewhat not wrinkled, because your girl don't iron. I don't like to iron. I don't want to iron. I don't want anything to do with an iron. It's a pain in the butt. It's too much work. So kudos to those who do iron. Let me know down in the comments below, do you iron or not iron?
Fired all of the bullets. Yeah, you shot me through the heart. Casting dice and roulette. The game was set right.
Now, y'all already know how much I love my Cricut machine. So I printed out some labels. Isn't that cute? I'm telling you, I'm just so creative. Anyway, I printed out labels and put them on my containers. I still have some more to do.
Ice and roulette. The game was set right from the start. I don't wanna go, I don't wanna know, I don't want it anymore. I don't wanna go, don't wanna know, but I keep coming back for more. Crashing down in the rain, all things are burning up in flames. We're going under, bang bang like thunder, bang bang like thunder. We're crashing down in the rain, our love will never be the same. We're going under, bang bang like thunder, bang bang like thunder. Yeah, the air's getting thinner, higher than high we go. A game with no winners. We keep pushing more and more. I don't wanna go, I don't wanna know, I don't want it anymore. I don't wanna go, don't wanna know, but I keep coming back for more. Crashing down in the rain, all things are burning up in flames. We're going under, bang bang like thunder, bang bang like thunder. We're crashing down in the rain, our love will never be the same. We're going under, bang bang like thunder, bang bang like thunder. Yeah, the air's getting thinner.
Alright, y'all, so we about halfway through the video. Let me know down in the comments, are you folding with me? Did you do a load of laundry? Are you cleaning? Or are you just sitting back chilling, waiting and getting the motivation to take care of it later?
Then how we go, a game with no winners. We keep pushing more and more. Crashing down in an aeroplane, all things are burning up in flames. We're going under, bang bang like thunder, bang bang like thunder. Crashing down in an aeroplane, our love will never be the same. We're going under, bang bang like thunder, bang bang like thunder. We've had this conversation, and you seem to agree with me. But when there's complications, you withdraw and leave me to be. When there's a problem, you become like a wall. And every time I trip, it's a free fall. Why don't you help me the way I help you? You don't have to save me, just be my parachute. When I'm feeling down, you're just not there, making sure I'm okay. Why don't you help me the way I help you?
Now would be right if I didn't throw in some cleaning motivation just in case you don't have no laundry. So you just need to do some cleaning. Well, here's a little bit of cleaning motivation slash undecorating, because I had to put all my Valentine's Day stuff away. And of course I needed a container for that. And then my little bear fell apart. I'm a little mad about that one, but that's neither here nor there. Anyway, enjoy the cleaning.
You're such a sensitive guy. When your friends are hurting, you make sure to stick around. But when it comes to me, you don't wanna know. Yeah, every time I trip, it's a free fall. Why don't you help me the way I help you? You don't have to save me, just be my parachute. When I'm feeling down, you're just not there, making sure I'm okay. Why don't you help me the way I help you? Help me the way I help you. Oh yeah.
So here is me and my husband's laundry. In a minute, I'm going to show you those little hangers. Everybody knows what those are. The little baby hangers for the baby clothes. Well, these are great for leggings. If you have leggings that you hang dry and you do not want them to get dried, it is the best way to put them on a little hanger and hang them up. But this is what I do for anything that does not go into the dryer. All of my husband's shirts get hung dry, and not all of my leggings, some of my leggings get hung dry, and some of my shirts that I don't care if they shrink or not get hung dry as well. And I will show you how I space those out over there on the lines further on in the video. If you've made it this far into the video, thank you so much for sticking and staying with your girl. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for coming over from Miss Charmayne's channel if you have. Thank you for sticking and staying. To all my returning subbies, my returning besties, I love y'all to the moon and back. I thank you. I appreciate you. I love you so much for being a part of this crew and being a part of this video. Thank you, thank you, thank you. For those of you all, you already know. And don't forget to go over to Miss Charmayne's channel. Check her out. Tell her I sent you, and just enjoy, and have fun, and watch the videos all the way through, because it really helps us out when you watch them all the way to the end. So I'm gonna quit my talking. Thank y'all so much. Thank you, Miss Charmayne, for collabing with me on this video, and I'm gonna let y'all finish it out. Check y'all in the next one.